Imagine skipping traffic completely and lifting off from your own backyard in an aircraft that looks like it came straight out of a science fiction movie. It might sound impossible, but personal eVTOL aircraft are becoming a reality, and some can already be reserved or ordered online. In today's video, we're counting down some of the cheapest eVTOL aircraft you can order today, from futuristic single-seat flyers to next-generation personal air vehicles that promise to change the way we travel. We'll explore their prices, performance, flight time, standout features, and what it actually takes to own one. While many are still in the reservation or early production stage, they offer an exciting glimpse into the future of personal aviation. Stay with us until the end, because one of these incredible flying machines costs far less than most people expect. And it might just be the closest thing yet to owning your own real-life flying car. Rictor X4. The Rictor X4 is one of the most affordable personal eVTOL aircraft announced so far, making electric flight feel closer to reality than ever before. Unveiled at CES 2026, this single-seat aircraft features a lightweight carbon fiber frame, a foldable 8-propeller design, and is compact enough to fit in the bed of a pickup truck. Powered by a dual battery system, it reaches a top speed of 50 miles per hour, offers up to 20 minutes of flight time, and supports pilots weighing up to 220 pounds. Safety features include a ballistic parachute, battery redundancy, and autonomous flight assistance. With a launch price of $39,900 and a $5,000 reservation deposit, the Rictor X4 is one of the cheapest personal eVTOL aircraft available for reservation today. AirCar LightSport. The AirCar LightSport is designed to make personal electric flight more practical without carrying the sky-high price tag of most modern eVTOLs. This two-seat aircraft combines a lightweight carbon fiber airframe with 8 electric motors, delivering a top speed of 80 miles per hour, a flight time of up to 45 minutes, and an estimated range of 30 to 50 miles. It also features 4 redundant battery packs, a triple redundant fly-by-wire flight controller, an advanced crash avoidance system, and an automatic ballistic parachute for added safety. The estimated purchase price starts at $99,000, with reservations currently open for future deliveries, making it one of the most affordable two-seat eVTOL aircraft available today. Jetson ONE. The Jetson ONE is one of the most exciting personal eVTOL aircraft you can actually order today, bringing the dream of solo flight closer than ever. Built with a lightweight aluminum space frame and carbon fiber body, this single-seat aircraft is powered by 8 electric motors and reaches a top speed of 63 miles per hour. It offers around 20 minutes of flight time, supports pilots up to 210 pounds, and features intuitive one-hand joystick controls. Safety highlights include a ballistic parachute, redundant battery and motor systems, radar-assisted auto-landing, and emergency hover functions. Priced at $148,000 with an $8,000 deposit, the Jetson ONE is currently available to order for future delivery, making it one of the most advanced personal eVTOLs on the market. YIVS-0. The YIVS-0 is one of the most affordable personal eVTOL aircraft available, offering an impressive blend of innovation and accessibility for first-time buyers. Built with a lightweight carbon fiber and titanium alloy frame, this single-seat aircraft uses an 8-propeller electric propulsion system to reach a top speed of 43 miles per hour with a 30-minute flight time and a range of up to 22 miles. A standout feature is its 2-minute battery swap system, allowing pilots to get back in the air quickly, while upgraded battery packages can extend endurance to 50 minutes and increase range. Safety options include a ballistic parachute and airbag system. Pricing starts around $59,000 for the basic configuration, with higher trims available depending on options. Pivotal Helix. The Pivotal Helix is one of the most refined personal eVTOL aircraft available today, designed to make electric flights simpler and more accessible. Built in the United States, this single-seat ultralight features a unique tilt aircraft design powered entirely by electricity, allowing vertical takeoff and landing without a runway. The Helix offers intuitive joystick controls, fly-by-wire technology, and a panoramic cockpit for an immersive flying experience. It also includes triple redundant flight controls, fault-tolerant systems, and comprehensive pilot training for added confidence. Complying with FAA Part 103 ultralight regulations, it requires no FAA pilot certificate in qualifying operations. Starting at $190,000, the Pivotal Helix is one of today's most advanced personal eVTOL aircraft. Skytech X1. The Skytech X1 is one of the most affordable personal eVTOL aircraft you can order today, blending futuristic design with surprisingly practical performance. Developed for short-distance personal flight, this single-seat aircraft features a lightweight 7075 aviation-grade aluminum frame with a carbon fiber shell and an 8-motor electric propulsion system. It reaches a top speed of 50 miles per hour, 80 kilometers per hour, offers 20 to 40 minutes of flight time depending on battery configuration, and delivers a range of up to 19 miles, 30 kilometers. Safety features include redundant flight controls, optional ballistic parachute and airbag systems, plus RTK-assisted navigation. With a factory price of around $50,000, the Skytech X1 is among the most accessible eVTOL aircraft available today. XPeng X2. The XPeng X2 is one of the most futuristic eVTOL aircraft ever developed, offering a glimpse into the future of personal air mobility. Built by XPeng AeroHT, this two-seat electric aircraft features a lightweight full carbon fiber airframe and is powered by 8 electric motors arranged in a quad-rotor configuration. It delivers a top speed of around 81 miles per hour, 130 kilometers per hour, a flight range of up to 47 miles, 75 kilometers, and supports both manual and autonomous flight modes with one-touch takeoff and landing. Designed for low-altitude urban transportation, the X2 emphasizes safety through redundant propulsion and intelligent flight controls. With a reported starting price of around $200,000, it represents one of the most advanced personal eVTOLs available today. AirCar. The AirCar is built for people who want the excitement of personal flight without the complexity of a traditional aircraft. This sleek two-seat eVTOL features 8 electric motors, foldable wings for garage storage, and an intuitive fly-by-intent control system that simplifies flying with intelligent flight assistance. Powered by a 74 kilowatt-hour battery, the AirCar delivers up to 60 minutes of flight time, a range of around 110 miles, 177 kilometers, and a top speed of 155 miles per hour, 250 kilometers per hour. Safety is enhanced with redundant propulsion, obstacle awareness, and a ballistic parachute. With a reported starting price of around $150,000 approximately 350,000 Australian dollars in Australia, the AirCar is among the most promising personal eVTOL aircraft available for reservation today. AirCar UltraLight. The AirCar UltraLight is designed to make personal electric flight more affordable while keeping the experience simple and exciting. Built as a single-seat ultralight eVTOL, it features a lightweight carbon fiber structure, electric propulsion, and an intuitive control system aimed at recreational pilots. The company says the aircraft is being developed for a streamlined regulatory pathway, making it an attractive option for first-time owners. Planned performance includes up to 50 miles of range, quiet electric operation, and a compact design that's easy to transport and store. The expected starting price is around $49,000, making it one of the least expensive personal eVTOL aircraft announced so far, although production specifications and availability remain subject to change.